Hi there, I'm Angela from artorai.com. Welcome to my channel. Just a quick video today. I bought this from Craftelier quite a while ago because I do sometimes like to make mini notebooks and staple them, but the stapler I had wasn't long enough for some of the booklets that I was making. So I thought I would try this. Anyway, I bought it and I did have a little bit of a mess around with it for a while, but then I put it away and of course completely forgot I had it. And then I came across it again and I did struggle to use it because I'd forgotten. So anyway, what I thought I would do is make a little video just to show you how to use it. It is so useful. It's really good. So I have had a bit of a mess about, as you can tell. So the basics of using it. This is magnetic. These are all magnetic. Well, that isn't, but these two are. So if you want to staple something, you just put that on the base, put your card or whatever you're stapling on the base. That's magnetic, it sticks to it. And then you put on your little stapler and you press, and it staples. Well, that's all well and good, I mean, you know, that's great. But how on earth do you line it up if you want to make a little booklet? So I have my little booklet here. And I had to do some research because, like I said, I had forgotten. But anyway, if you look on this part here, you will see there are two little arrows, one at either side, which is very important. There's one there as well, and these are very important for lining up your projects or whatever you want to staple. So it can be a bit tricky to get it right at first, but I'm going to put that on there round about where I want it to be stapled, and then you put that on and then you try and line that up with those two arrows. It can be a bit tricky. I'm just going to wiggle the paper around a bit to try and get it in line, but this is not going to be perfect because one, I can't see very well, and two, it's just quick to show you how to use it. So you can see there that the line or the fold is perfectly in between, or it's supposed to be perfectly in between where the point of the arrows are at either side. And then you just simply put on your stapler, press it down, and that staples right into the middle of that line, if you can see that fold. So it is a bit of a guessing game because I haven't measured it properly. But you do the same again with the other side. What you could do if you were doing this is measure how far down that you want the staple to go, and then just put a little pencil mark that you can rub off later. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you how to line it up. Again, wiggle the paper in so it's perfectly in between those 2 points. As you can see, I hope you can see. I don't know what the light's doing. Again, staple, and like I said, if I'd measured it from either side in, I would know exactly where to put the paper, but this is just to show you how to do it. I've actually stapled it wrong. Should have stapled it from the other side, but yeah, I'll fold it over that way. That's not the way it's supposed to be. But you can see there now the staples are exactly in the middle, which I think is really good. It's marvellous because you're not limited to the size of your paper. Even with the long staplers, you're limited to the size of the stapler. So that's how easy it is to use this magnetic stapler. I can't remember how much it was. I don't think it was very expensive, but I will leave a link to it in the description. And if I find a cheaper one somewhere that does the same thing, I will link to it. But bear in mind, I haven't used those. I've only used this one, which I do thoroughly recommend. Craftelier is an excellent website for different kinds of tools, and this one is very handy. So that's it. I just thought I would make a quick video because I struggled to use this. As I said, I had to go online and do some research, but that's how easy it is to use. And like I said, if your measurements are right from either end, you're going to get perfect placement just by using this. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Bye bye now.